Although we are a young company, our strength, heritage and foundation is in traditional door-to-door catalogue placement. We meet, greet and chat to customers and loyal friends on the doorstep, offering a personal service that often extends to that extra mile. We take pride in serving the community, helping and serving those who look forward to our regular visits.
VivaMK!
Another side to our business is online sales. With a dedicated website and using social selling strategies, we offer you multiple ways to shop with direct delivery straight to your door. With virtual parties for a virtual age, shopping from the comfort of your home has never been so much fun. Whilst we offer a plethora of everyday essential household products, we believe in being innovative whilst protecting our planet too. With the recent launch of our eco-friendly cleaning range and the exclusivity of Clean Easy cleaning products, housework will never be a chore again. With vegan-friendly beauty products and a personalized gift service, we really do offer you a fantastic selection to shop from home. Our distributors are as varied as the landscape they live in. There are many reasons they have chosen VivaMK Network. It offers flexibility, freedom, and support to earn an extra income while providing people the opportunity to get the work-life balance they desire. There is a real sense of community, camaraderie, and belonging where everyone is valued. Distributors always receive recognition, praise, and rewards for their achievements. We are always looking for good people to join us, whether you are a parent looking after your child or a grandparent itching to spoil them, whether you are already working but need an extra income or just want the freedom and flexibility VivaMK Network offers. We're here for you. Our friendly, supportive teams will help, encourage, and teach you everything you need to know. You can achieve whatever you want with 25% commission on everything you sell and progression to earn more in bonuses and incentives. Working with us provides you with the opportunity for those little extras in life.